All right, this is called a finger brake. And the reason why it's called finger brake is because you have all these adjustable fingers here on the front of this brake, and then more up top here, but you can adjust the width on these by just loosening up this knob and sliding it over if you had to get something to fit in here, which will make more sense in a second. But with this, you have two handles on each side. So you bring the actual fingers down. They're going to sandwich the piece of steel on this side, and then once the piece of steel is in there, you use this outer arm here to bend the steel at whatever angle you need it to be. Now, with this tool, the only really safety thing to keep in mind is don't crush your fingers underneath here. When this comes up, when the arm comes up, there's these pegs here and here in the middle, and you don't want to hit yourself in the knees because that can hurt pretty bad. Now, to get started, I'm just going to take this first random piece of scrap steel here, and I'm going to put it in this brake just so you can see what it does. Now, you notice that this piece of steel is bigger than the finger. You want to try to avoid that if you can't jump with this finger here. Okay? So pull this lever in. You want to make sure you pull both handles down to lock the steel in. Once you do, we're just going to bend this up at 90 degrees-ish. We're going to eyeball it. Loosen this up. Okay, and easy peasy, bent this to 90 degrees. Now, you can adjust this with your hand if you need to a little bit, pull this back and forth to get the angle you need. Okay?